let's get to cooking. We're gonna use my chicken broth. Hope you guys seen the video. If not, it's below. We're gonna use my chicken broth to cook some soup. Can't talk. We're cooking a lemon orzo chicken soup. Some garlic, onions, celery, and carrots. So, just a little bit about this soup. It's a Greek soup. Yeah, it's from the Mediterranean. That's really all I know. And I was doing research on it. Put that in there. Now we're gonna cut our onion. Saw a new way how to cut onions. I'm trying it this way. You're gonna see because you know, I'm not the best at cutting, but it's whatever. Like that, like that, like that, like that, like that, like that. Ah, look at that. It's cutting a little bit better. The onions. But you know, a lie that we've been told since kids, carrots are not good for your eyesight, for real. That's a lie. My eyes are watering, but we're gonna make sure we always got a peel. Okay, I was trying to be cool, didn't work. Make sure you peel your carrots. You know, that was bad. Time to cut up our celery. This goes through like butter. If you guys, I can see why chefs use these. These are so really beneficial. I love it. Like, I want to buy a whole kit now. We're gonna put these in a quart. I like to do this just because, again, I just like the color of when I'm cooking. It's just my thing. You don't have to really do it. You can just go from the cutting board to this. But for me, I just love it. Because, look, you can't tell me this not like aesthetically pleasing. This looks pretty. Your skillet. And add your chicken breast. And now, I'm just gonna stir this up. What we're going to do is add some white wine to deglaze the pot. So while this deglazes, I'm gonna let it cook down for about 2 to 3 minutes just to burn out all the alcohols and the flavors to it. All of this cooked down. Right. So the homemade chicken broth right here, baby. We're gonna add that to the pot. We're gonna add a little bit of lemon zest to it. Look at how good this looks, baby. We're gonna add just a little bit of cilantro. Add a little more green to it just to make it look appeasing. So, let's give it a try. So, yeah, this is it. So, I'm really happy I used orzo. I guess the recipe, I can see why I use orzo, because if it was like chicken noodle, it wouldn't do it. So it's like a thick soup consistency, and like you can taste the onions and the chicken and the wine, but the acidic from the lemon really brings out the whole dish. The vibe's good and it eats even better. Peace.